First of all, let's talk about like. This is a water bottle because it's like a bottle, but it's just like with a straw. So this counts as water. This counts as water bottle. It's a water bottle of water. Okay, look inside. Look at it. Look, it's all purple. 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 Hold on, why's my chain not popping out? There we go. Look inside. Look inside. Look inside. Look at it. Relax. Get tingles. 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 I didn't want to put the cap on this one because it doesn't make any noise. So, but this is like Gatorade. Obviously, Gatorade. You see the big G, the big G, the big G with the lightning, the big G, the big G with the lightning, 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 with the lightning. Gatorade bottle. I did this trigger before, but this is bottle ASMR, so yeah. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go sleep. Go. Do. Sleep. 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 Go sleep. Go. Relax. Go sleep. Go sleep. I like this bottle. Tapping. I'm tapping. cat. Oh, my cat. That's my guy. That's my guy. That's my guy. This is mine. This is my gym one. Or it's a good gym one. Valid water. It's water, by the way. It's ice cold water. Do you guys like ice cold room temperature? Like kind of cold or warm? If you drink warm, that's great. No, if you drink warm, I actually feel bad for you. I'm not gonna hold you, cause like, how do you like consume that? Like, how do you like drink that and get refreshed? I know it's water, but that's just crazy. Myself earlier. You can see it. Like, look, bro. Look, like right here. Oh, there. Look, you see that right there, like right here, right here. Bro, how am I supposed to like right there, right there? I know you guys can see it, cause I can see it. So yeah, I burn myself while cooking. Horrendous. Terrific. Some water. Here's a sip. This would be an ASMR bottle. Well, it would be a ASMR trigger, but I lost. Like, well, I didn't lose. I don't know who lost it, but I can't find the bottle. Like, this will connect, and this will filter out something like tea. You put tea in here, and then you put the bottle in here, and then you feel me. I have like a little filter. It's kind of a dope bottle. I never knew that until I picked it up for the video, but that's fine. It's like for tea something, I think. I'm assuming it's tea. What else would it be? You hear that sound? You hear that little ticking? Tick, 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 tick. Close up, close up. Oh, you hear that? You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? Oh, if it's this side too. Oh. I see you. This can open too. Oh no, never mind. It doesn't open. It's just for design, I guess. For looks, it's just for looks. It's just for looks. It's just for looks. kind of hurts my ears. I'm not gonna do that. That sounds like. Relax. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys enjoyed that bottle. P-O-B-O-T-T-L-E. By the way, smart. Hope you got some tingles out of it. Hope you got some tingles. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Have a good day. We're about to reach 300, bro. 300, bro. Thank you guys. I'm gonna keep saying thank you. Thank you guys so much. I'm so grateful, bro. I really mean it, bro. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I love you. Thank all you guys. Thank you. For allowing me to do this content and you guys actually like it. I appreciate that. It means a lot to me. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you in the next bang. I'll see you.